What's the meaning of betrothed? Betrothed. Betrothed.
Betrothed. Betrothed. The term betrothed refers to a person who is engaged to be married. It is a formal commitment to marry someone and is usually considered a precursor to the actual wedding ceremony. The betrothal period is often seen as a time for the couple to get to know each other better and to prepare for their future life together. In some cultures, betrothal is a legally binding agreement and carries significant cultural and social significance. In modern times, the term engaged is more commonly used, but betrothed has a historical and traditional connotation that is still used in some religious or ceremonial contexts.